Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Nothing Stands in the Way from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Nothing stands in the way. The one who sees adversity or opposition as trivial or small is the one who speaks to his mountains, declares his victory while knowing his power to overcome. He doesn't give in, and he's not intimidated by the size of his opponent, for he knows that with God, nothing can stand in his way, and nothing can interfere with his divine mission. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things that you're grateful for in your life. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm very grateful for my family and my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.